Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be installing Splunk on a Windows machine. If you've ever wanted to analyze and visualize your log data, Splunk is one of the most powerful tools available. Let's jump into the installation process. It's easier than you think. First things first, let's head over to the official Splunk website to download the installer. Open your browser and go to splunk.com. Click on the Download Free button under the Splunk Enterprise section. You'll be asked to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. After signing up, the download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, you may see a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your computer. Click Yes to proceed. Now, the Splunk installation wizard will appear. Let's click Next to continue. Here, you'll need to accept the Splunk license agreement. Read through the terms, and if you agree, click I agree to proceed. Now, it's time to set the admin credentials. You'll need to create a username and password for accessing the Splunk Web interface. Make sure to remember this, as you'll use it to log in later. Once you've set the credentials, click Next. Everything is ready to go. Now, click Install to begin the installation process. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the Setup wizard. You may also be prompted to launch Splunk automatically, which we'll do now. Now that Splunk is installed, open your browser and go to http://localhost 8000 to access the Splunk web interface. Enter the username and password you set earlier and click Login. You're now inside the Splunk interface and ready to start exploring and analyzing your data. And that's it! You've successfully installed Splunk on your Windows machine. Now, you can begin setting up your data inputs, searching through logs, and gaining valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.